Hi, welcome to Zimstake Media. If you are new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe to get more news. This is our weekly roundup where we bring you the news that happened over the week. Businessman Wicknell Tivayo gifted famous Prophet Ian Ndlovu with a brand new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser, a 300 series VXR, and his wife with a Toyota Fortuner. He has also given them 150,000 United States dollars for church purposes. Gospel artist Dorcas Moyo was also gifted a brand new car, which is a Toyota Fortuner 2.4 GD6 by Wicknell Tivayo again in response to the backlash she received over her lyrics towards the 31 March demonstrations. President of the Republic of Mozambique, Daniel Chapo, who officially opened this year's 65th edition of the ZITF on April 25, 2025. In some sad news, Zimbabwean musician Chillmaster was involved in a devastating accident that claimed the life of a person. Expressing sadness on this unfortunate incident, he sent condolences to the affected family. Vice President Retired General Dr. Constantino Chiwenga ignited the independence torch in Gweru, kicking off nationwide celebrations. The symbolic flame will then travel across Midlands Province before reaching Kokwe, this year's main host of Independence Day. Looking at other developments, E.D. Mnangagwa commissioned the Mbare Traders Market Development Project. In November last year, he declared a state of disaster in Mbare following an inferno that destroyed stalls and goods, directing that the area be modernized within the shortest possible time. A modern structure has now been erected at the site. The senator and leader of the opposition in parliament, Sengezo Chabangu, was elected into the Committee on Health and Inter-Parliamentary Union. The Zimbabwe National Army witnessed a formal handover takeover ceremony at the Charles Kumbo Barracks in Harare, marking the transition of leadership from outgoing commander, Lieutenant Retired General Anselam Namosanyatwe, to the incoming Army Commander, Lieutenant General Matatu. Looking at yesterday's elections, which is Saturday, ZANU-PF candidate Tsitsi Tawomera won the Glenview South by-elections, securing victory with 89 votes, defeating the Triple C candidate who received 57. Thank you for staying tuned. Once again, if you want more news, don't hesitate to like and subscribe.